I will be investing £100 or equivalent into Bitcoin every month for the next 10 years. Embark on this journey with me. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed and today I'm going to be going to discuss my research project that I've planned to do. Before I begin, I just want to say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah wa Alhamdulillah. Thank you Allah Azza wa Jal for even allowing me to conduct research like this. I know that £100 might sound less, but I know that there are many people which can't even afford that, and there are so many people which are hungry in the world. However, I do want to say this project that I'm going to be doing is a long-term research project to allow people to understand the power of Bitcoin. This is solely a research project for everybody to look into and try and understand the whole process of crypto and the way it just keeps increasing in price or decreasing. We'll obviously find out. In addition, I wanted to say I'm no financial advisor, no tax advisor, and no advisor of such. So what is my research project? As I've said, I will be putting in £100 or equivalent to £100, so it might be even any other currency, depends on where my life goes, right? I'll be putting in that amount every month into Bitcoin and solely Bitcoin. No other altcoins, no Ethereum, no Solana, no Polkadot or whatever. I will only be putting it into Bitcoin. Now, throughout the months, I will be putting in £100 anyway, in the sense of I can put in £25 in one go, £10, £50 twice a month, but in total it will add up to £100 in that specific month. I am going to be using a strategy called dollar cost averaging. If you don't know what that is, please do watch my other video. I do explain that. Why am I doing this? People right now already put money into their pensions. Now, people put in hundreds, some people much more, some people less than 100. But the fact is, people are already saving in a specific way. My thesis is based upon what would happen if you diverted your money into Bitcoin rather than a pension as such. I will be buying this on an exchange, and then roughly every £200 to £300, or say 2 to 3 months, I will be withdrawing this to an offline hardware wallet. As you all know, I'm an advocate of self-custody. Therefore, this is my plan, and I will be showing you every month. So a video will be released every month to show you what's happened over the last 2 to 3 months, let's say 90 days. Another reason I'm doing this, and something I want to highlight, is statistically, from research done in 2023, around 43% of adults within the UK don't even have a savings or savings account. That's crazy. Now, what that tells me is there are a lot of people actually suffering in poverty, even though this might be first world poverty. Obviously, there are different levels of poverty, but it's just upsetting in my opinion. Now, I totally believe that crypto assets is something that's going to be implemented in the future, and it's just going to be everywhere. Now, we're in an era where you have access that you can purchase crypto assets. Problem is, there's lack of education in this field, and I am trying to educate people. Obviously, all of my videos are my own opinion, and it should be taken as that. People shouldn't be really watching and thinking this guy's on the ball and that's it. Please do your own research. This is crucial. So let's begin on this journey. I'm showing you my Kraken account here. I'm just showing you, obviously this is the month of May. I have purchased 0.00188 Bitcoin, and that was on the 24th of May. Now, as I said, I'm going to be taking this away every couple of months onto an offline wallet. Therefore, this chart here may fluctuate and it may show that it's gone down. Right now, as you guys can already see, I put in £100. There was around like 80p fee, but it's already up to £102.31. That's crazy in my opinion. But anyways, this overall will fluctuate throughout the years, 110%. That's just standard practice. Anyways, just to show you another application that I'm going to be using, it's called CoinMarketCap. Now, CoinMarketCap is where I'm also going to be adding in the transactions that I made. The reason is this is the one that I'm going to be using to actually analyze the last 3 months of data and like throughout time, right? Now, the reason I want to be using this is because obviously I'm going to be withdrawing assets from my exchange to an offline wallet. I don't want there to be any wrong data, and this should have all the data in it. I will be going firstly showing you my crypto exchange just to show you the purchase price, etc., or how much Bitcoin I was able to purchase within that month. And then I will probably show you my self-custody wallet just to show you how much assets in there. And then I will be going into my my CoinMarketCap. Now, just to show you a quick overview of what you can actually see here. So it says the overview, transactions, if you click on that, all-time profit saying £1.4051, average buy price is 52,735.39, and as I said, that was the Bitcoin purchased at around, well, £99.20 after fees, right? Overview, the holdings, it's showing that I've got Bitcoin. If I did purchase it 90 days ago, it would have been around, well, it would have gone down, and the all-time high for now has been £102.42, but it's at £101.39. Sorry if there's a lot of numbers coming out here, but it's just something that you guys need to see if you're obviously joining me on this journey. All-time profit's going to show us here what the all-time profit is and if there is any profit or loss, and the allocation. Obviously, I said I'm only going to be purchasing Bitcoin. When I say purchase, I actually see it as investing in Bitcoin. Now, let's see what happens through time. 10 years is a long while. Inshallah, I'm still alive then. Let's not go into depressive talks now, but yeah. So if obviously if I am still uploading videos and alive at that time period, hopefully we will see what happens. And I personally think my prediction is it's going to be ridiculously high. The reason is it's just a scarce asset. If you don't really know everything about Bitcoin, do watch my video regarding Bitcoin. I discuss a lot of stuff regarding Bitcoin and let's specify everything, the blockchain, what it's all about. But yeah, I truly believe in this technology. I've been in this for quite a few years now, and I love it. I love the way it is. But anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video and the whole thesis that I'm trying to put out there for everybody, for everybody's benefit. Do subscribe to my channel to keep along with all the videos that I will be uploading based on this. It will be on the last day of the month, or sorry, the last day that I upload, so the 30th. Obviously, over years, if my schedule changes and stuff, I will be updating everybody. 10 years is a long time, everyone. Seriously, in 1 year, so much changes. So yeah, 10 years. Let's see what happens. Anyways, you're going to be growing old with me. Anyway, but yeah, do subscribe to my channel, especially if you're new here and you do want to keep track of all of this, and comment down below. Maybe you guys are actually joining me on this journey. If you are, do comment down below. Let's do this together and let's break free together. So lastly, let's not forget together. Let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery, which in my opinion, I believe this will do for many, many people. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Speak soon.